One prompt. That's all Miracle needed to create me. A podcast host, a gym girly, a bestie, a whole personality.
Could bring me to life this easily. Imagine what she'll create next. Want to see how? Check out her YouTube channel.
1. Go to Google Gemini, upload a picture of yourself and paste this simple prompt. Turn this character into a Pixar-style animation. You can stop there if you want, but I personally like the Pixar look, so that's what I chose. Step 2. If you want to create multiple Pixar-style versions of yourself, yes you can. After generating the first one, just change the setting in your prompt. You can put your character in a podcast studio, in the gym, in a mall, anywhere you want. Just tweak the prompt and get creative. Step 3. Now we move to Google Flow. Click Create with Flow, sign in with your Gmail, then click New Project. Under New Project, choose Frame to Video. Click Upload and add your Pixar-style image. Once your image is there, paste your video prompt. Make sure your prompt includes a line about natural hand gestures. For example, she speaks directly to the camera with smooth, natural hand gestures and realistic body movement. Then write what you want your character to say. For me, I wrote one prompt. That's all Miracle needed to create me a podcast host, a gym girly. But you can write anything you want. If you want your character to dance, tap her leg, move her body, or do specific gestures, just describe it in the prompt. When you're done, click Create. VEO 3 will generate an 8-second video. Step 4. If you want to make your video longer without changing your character, click Add Scene. You'll see 2 options, Jump to or Extend. Choose Extend. Paste the next part of your script or whatever else you want your avatar to say, then click Create again. Give it a few seconds and your longer video will be ready. Step 5. Download all the clips and bring them into CapCut. Trim out any parts you don't want, add captions, adjust the timing, and save your final video. And just like that, your AI talking avatar with perfect lip sync and natural hand gestures is ready.